Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. So today we are going to discuss about the type in inference versus type annotations. Type in inference we have already discussed and type annotations we already know. Okay, so let's take about what is the difference of both of them. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So type inference and the type annotations are the two concepts in the TypeScript that relate to how you specify and work with types in your code. Okay, they serve different purpose and the other offer different levels of control over the type information, right? So type inference in TypeScript's ability to automatically reduce the type of variables. Okay, we are not defining, right, functions and the expressions based on their uses and initialization. Like we have discussed, like suppose we have initialized this and this one. So we haven't marked it like this is the number and this is the string. Okay, so TypeScript infers the type number for the variable age and the TypeScript infers the type string for the variable first name, right? So it automatically do that. Okay, so that is type inference. Okay, this means that you don't always have to explicitly specify the type. Okay, that is type inference of your variables. TypeScript can figure out them out for you. Type inference reduces the need for excessive type annotations and makes your code more concise and readable. Okay, this is the example which we have already done. While type inference is a powerful, there are cases where it might not capture the exact types you intend. Okay, so in that case, you may have to provide more specific type information for the clarity. Okay, next, type annotations. What exactly means? Type annotations involve explicitly specify the type of variable. So here you are defining the type of variable like this: age should be number. Explicitly you are defining the age should be as a number. If you are passing the string or something, it will throw the error. Correct? This provides a higher level of control over the types and helps to clarify the developer's intent. Type annotations are especially useful when TypeScript's type inference might not be accurate. Okay, in that case, when you want to enforce the strict type check, so in that so here you can see that when you're defining here age number, so what are you doing over here? You are TypeScript or strictly checking that this should be a number. If somebody adds the string or another thing, it will throw the error. So here you are type checking properly, right? So type annotations are especially useful when TypeScript's type inference might not be accurate. In that case, you are enforced stricter type checks. So here you are enforced stricter type checks here. Okay, so that way you know that this is the number, so you have to pass the number. If something went to go wrong, so it will throw the TypeScript will throw the error of that case. Okay, so, next one, type annotations become necessary when the TypeScript cannot confidently determine the correct type, such as in cases where you might be working with the complex or the dynamic structures, right? So, when to use each? Okay, so this is the question: when to use each. So, use type inference when the types are easily deduced by the TypeScript and the code remains readable without the explicit annotations. This is especially suitable for the simple scenarios where the types are clear for the context. When you are clear with the types, so don't require to explicit annotate them, right? Or define them. Okay. Use type annotations when you want to provide specific type. Correct? Whenever you think that this should be defined as a number or string, then you have to use the type annotations. Enforce stricter type checking or make the code more self-documenting. This is beneficial in the case where type inference might not produce the desired results, or when they're collaborating on a project where clear type annotations improve the code understanding. Okay, so when you just describe that this is to be a number, this is to be a string, this is to be array of objects, in that case, you when the developer starts coding, then he comes to know that this is the number, this is a string, we have to send that part. Okay, So when you're collaborating on a project where clear type annotations improve the code understanding, so code understanding will make improve on that note. Okay. So in practice, a balance between the type inference and the type annotation is often the best approach. Let TypeScript infer types where it's a straightforward, and use the type annotations where explicit typing is essential for the code correction or the clarity. Right? This helps to make the take advantage of TypeScript type system while maintaining the code readability and the maintainability. So I think you will clear on that the type inference and the type annotations. Okay. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.